Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So I am back with another video. In this video we are going to see how we can create fixed deposit for the customer. So if you are doing microfinance business, the Jainam Software is very helpful and it reduces the manual efforts and it gives speed, security and it saves the time. So for the day-to-day transaction, the Jainam software is very helpful. It helps to enhance your business. So just have a look. So I have created some customers. So let's search one customer from the search bar. So here is the customer I have created. So let's click on the deposit option. So here is the deposit form. Just click on fixed deposit and deposit amount I want to take 1 lakh. The yearly rate of interest, let's suppose 8%, and the compounding not applicable. Compounding is nothing but the interest on interest that is added to the deposit. So let's take for 3 years and just calculate. So here is the calculation, that is 1 lakh is the principal, maturity principal. The interest is coming 24,000 and total is 1,24,000. So just save this. So here is the fixed deposit, 15 number is saved. So search this, you can search D-15 from the search bar. So here is this customer, you can see the details. Fixed deposit has been created, that is for 8% interest. So from the installment tracker you can see the amount is 1 lakh and the interest is calculated 8%, that is for 3 years. That means total amount will come 1,24,000. And from the passbook also you can see the all details of the customer, that maturity amount, the rate of interest, contact number, all details you can see, the maturity date also. So you can take a printout also and give it to the customer from here. So this type you can handle the business and you can create multiple accounts in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.